Hello student, today we can start next chapter, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Let us first start aldehydes and ketones. Then first of all, functional group of aldehydes and ketone. Functional group of aldehyde is RCOH and functional group of ketone is RCOR dash. That means in aldehyde there is one hydrogen atom is attached to carbonyl carbon atom and another is hydrogen alkyl group or maybe aryl group. And in ketone there are both are alkyl groups or aryl groups which are maybe same or different. That means it is functional difference between this functional group of aldehydes and ketone. That means in aldehyde, functional group is always present at the end of the carbon chain, and in ketone, functional group is present at middle one of this straight chain carbon atom. The next one, that is nomenclature. In nomenclature, there are two systems, that is common name system and IUPAC system. Then first of all, common names of aldehyde, that means it is derived from common names of carboxylic acid which is prepared by corresponding aldehydes by oxidation by replacing IC acid by aldehydes. For example, suppose first example, butyraldehyde. That means in this example it contains 4 carbon atoms in straight chain. Hence it is derivative of butane. By oxidation of this butyraldehyde it forms butyric acid. Hence name of this example is by replacing IC acid of this butyric acid by aldehyde, it becomes butyraldehyde. Then second example, that is in this example there is again 4 carbon atoms, but on second carbon atom there is methyl group is attached, hence it becomes isobutyl group. Hence it forms by oxidation isobutyric acid. Hence again by replacing IC acid of this isobutyric acid by aldehyde, name of this compound becomes isobutyraldehyde. Again another common name of this compound is alpha methyl propion aldehyde. That means in straight chain it contains 3 carbon atom. Hence suppose it is derivative of propion aldehyde. And on second carbon atom, that means on alpha carbon atom, there is one methyl group is attached. Hence name of this compound becomes alpha methyl propion aldehyde. Then next, that is aldehydes of aromatic compound. First one, that is benzaldehyde. That means in this compound aldehyde group is attached to benzene nucleus, hence name of this compound is benzaldehyde. Then second one, that is orthotolulaldehyde, means aldehyde group is present or attached on ortho position of toluene, hence name of this compound is orthotolulaldehyde. Then third compound, that is on this carbonyl carbon atom there are 2 hydrogen atoms, hence name of this compound is formaldehyde. Then fourth one, that is phenyl acetaldehyde. That means on this acetaldehyde, that means CH3CH double bond O, hydrogen atom of this CH3 group is replaced by phenyl group, hence name of this compound is phenyl acetaldehyde. The next IUPAC name of aldehyde. That means again longest continuous carbon chain containing carbonyl group is selected as a parent alkane. By replacing E of this parent alkane by Al, name of this compound become alkanal. For example, suppose this first example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH double bond O. In this compound, in again straight chain, there are 4 carbon atoms. That means it is derivative of butane. Then by replacing E of this corresponding butane by Al, name of this compound become butanal. Then second example, that is 2-methyl propanol. That means in straight chain there are 3 carbon atoms. Hence it is derivative of propane. Then by replacing E of corresponding propane by Al, it becomes propanol. But on second carbon atom there is 1 methyl group is attached. Hence name of this compound is 2-methyl propanol. Then third example, that is CH2 double bond O. That means on this example there is only 1 carbon atom. Hence it is derivative of methane. Hence by replacing E of corresponding methane by Al, name of this compound become methanol. Then fourth example, CH3CH double bond O. In this example it contains 2 carbon atom. That means it is derivative of ethane. Again by replacing E of corresponding ethane by Al, name of this compound become ethanol. Then next, common names of ketones. That means first example, CH3CO CH3. That means on this carbonyl carbon atom there are 2 methyl groups are attached. Hence it is derivative of acetone, or special name of this compound is acetone. Then nomenclature in ketone, there are 2 alkyl groups are present. These may be same or different. If these 2 alkyl groups are same, then these are named as dialkyl ketone. And if these 2 alkyl groups are different, it is named as alkyl ketone. Suppose first example, that means on this carbonyl carbon atom there are 2 alkyl groups are present which are different. One is methyl group, that is CH3, and another is ethyl group, that is CH2 CH3. Then alphabetically ethyl come first before methyl. Hence name of this compound become ethyl methyl ketone. Then second example, that means on this carbonyl carbon atom there are 2 alkyl groups CH2 CH3, CH2 CH3. Both are same. Name of this CH2 CH3 is ethyl. These two groups are same, hence name of this compound becomes diethyl ketone. And third example, that means on this carbonyl carbon atom one is methyl group and another is N-propyl group, that means CH2 CH3 CH2. Again alphabetically methyl come first before N-propyl group. Hence name of this compound is methyl N-propyl ketone. Then next one, that is nomenclature of aromatic ketone. That is also derived from common name of carboxylic acid, which are prepared by oxidation of this ketone by replacing IC acid by phenol. Then first example, that is name of this compound is benzophenone. That means by oxidation of this compound it forms benzoic acid. Hence by replacing IC acid of this benzoic acid by one, name of this compound become benzophenone. Then second, that is CH3CO C6H5. That means by oxidation of this compound, it forms, that is acetic acid. Hence, by replacing IC acid again by phenol, hence name of this compound becomes acetophenol. The next one, that is IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. Again, here select longest continuous carbon chain containing carbonyl group. That means select parent chain of parent alkane. Then replace E of corresponding alkane by one and it becomes alkanon. Then see first example, CH3CH2CO CH3. In this compound, that is two alkyl groups. The next point, that is aldehyde synthesis or preparation of synthesis. Then first method, that is oxidation of primary alcohol. Then general reaction of this oxidation of primary alcohol is RCH2OH plus K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate. In special condition, it gives RCHO, that is aldehyde. Again another general reaction, that is RCH2OH plus pyridinium chlorochromate. It gives again aldehyde. Then with other oxidizing agent except aldehyde, it gives primary alcohol and carboxylic acid. The next example of this oxidation is, that is first one, 1-propanol, that is CH3CH2CH2CH2CH2OH. Name of this compound is 1-propanol. Then by oxidation by K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, it gives, that is aldehyde propanol valeraldehyde. Then second, benzoyl alcohol, that is C6H5 benzyl group CH2OH in presence of pyridinium chlorochromate, it gives benzaldehyde. That means CHO group is attached to benzene nucleus, it is called as benzaldehyde. Then 1-pentanol is with potassium dichromate, is by further oxidation it gives pentanoic acid. The next, synthesis of aldehyde, second method, that is ozonolysis of alkenes. Then alkenes having general formula C double bond C. Then by reaction with ozone, that is O3, in first step it forms ozonide. Then in second step, by hydrolysis of this ozonide, it forms carbonyl compounds, that is a mixture of two carbonyl compound. That means in this reaction, it may forms two aldehydes, two ketones, or one aldehyde and one ketone. For example, suppose 1-pentene, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 CH double bond CH2. Name of this compound is 1-pentene. Then by oxidation by ozonolysis and hydrolysis in presence of zinc, it forms butanol. That means CH3 CH2 CH2 CHO plus methanol, that is HCOH. The next, fourth method, that is calcium salt of acids. That means calcium salt of acid, first example is of calcium formate. That means this calcium formate is formed by two molecules of formic acid. That means HCOOH. This is formula of formic acid. Then the salt becomes by these two molecules of formic acid, hence name of this compound is calcium formate. By heating with this calcium formate, it forms one molecule of formaldehyde, that is HCH double bond O plus calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3. Then second example, that is calcium acetate. One molecule of calcium acetate and one molecule of calcium formate. This calcium acetate is from two molecules of acetic acid, and this calcium formate is again from two molecules of formic acid. Then by heating at 675 Kelvin, it forms two molecules of acetaldehyde, that is twice CH3CHO plus two molecules of calcium carbonate. Then next one, that is fifth method, that is from alkyl nitriles and esters. Then first of all, first example, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 CN, that is cyanide in presence of diisobutyl aluminum hydride and H2O and HCl, it gives aldehyde. That is name of this aldehyde. It contains 4 carbon atom, hence name of this compound is butyraldehyde. Then by oxidation, it gives acid, that is hydrolyzed by acid. Then ester, second example, from ester, that is from RCOOR dash, again by diisobutyl aluminum hydride and H2O, it gives aldehyde RCOH. Then third one, that is from Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent having formula RMgX. If this RMgX is react with alkyl cyanide, that is RC triple bond N, then in first step it forms imine. That means RCR dash. On this carbon atom, this nitrogen is attached through double bond, and on this nitrogen MgX, then this compound is called as imine. Then by hydrolysis by H3O plus, it forms ketone, that is RCOR dash. Then next method, that is aromatic hydrocarbons, from aromatic hydrocarbons. Then first one, that is from toluene. Toluene having formula, that is CH3 group is attached to benzene nucleus. Then it gives benzaldehyde in presence of chromium chloride. Then second, that is toluene, again by hydrolysis and in chlorine, it gives aldehyde. Then third one, this toluene, it gives, that is toluene in presence of chromium oxide at 273 to 283 Kelvin, it gives an intermediate product, and then by hydrolysis in presence of H3O plus, it gives toluene. Then next one, that is again toluene, last reaction, toluene in presence of chlorine at in UV light, it gives in first, that is CHCl2, which is attached to benzene nucleus, and then aldehyde if this react with H2O at 373 Kelvin. The next reaction, that is with acyl chloride. Acyl chloride having formula RCOCl. Then by reduction in presence of H2, palladium and barium sulfate, it forms RCOH. Then next method, that is synthesis of ketone. In this again first method, that is oxidation of secondary alcohol. Then first example, that is cyclohexanol. In this compound, OH group, that is alcohol group, hydroxy group is attached to cyclohexane. Hence name of this compound is cyclohexanol. It gives in presence of sodium oxychloride, that is cyclohexanone. Then second, that is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol means on the second carbon atom of this isopropyl group, OH group is attached, hence name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. Again in presence of potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7, it gives ketone. Name of this ketone is acetone. Then next example, that is benzene nucleus. If react with benzaldehyde in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives aldehyde. Then next benzene again is react with, that is acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives, that is ketone, aromatic ketone. Then next, that is again benzene, if react with CH3COCl, that is acetyl chloride, it gives acetophenone in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. And last reaction, that is benzene, if react with benzyl chloride, that is C6H5COCl, again in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it is gives benzophenone. Then next method for preparation of ketone is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation. In this reaction, again acetyl chloride, that is RCOCl, AlCl3 plus aromatic compound, that is aromatic hydrocarbon ARH in presence of AlCl3, it gives, that is aromatic ketone, that is RCOAR plus HCl. For example, suppose CH3CH2CH2 C double bond OCl, that is it contains 4 carbon atom, hence name of this compound is butanoyl chloride. If this react with benzene nucleus in presence of AlCl3, it gives butyl, that is butyrophenone. Thank you. That is, there is end of up to this methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketone. Thank you.